guys, Chris over at AceVacuums here at 300 Fort Evans Road, Leesburg, Virginia. Today we're going to talk about Riccar. Riccar is an American-made company. They've been around for many years. They make one of the best, great vacuums that you can buy. Quality, reliability, performance, they have a huge selection. Today we're going to talk about the R10E. R10E, this is the pink version. They just came out with this for the breast cancer awareness. Every one of these that we sell nationwide, a portion of the proceeds go to breast cancer awareness. So we strongly recommend and highly recommend, if you're in the market for a lightweight, good vacuum with great suction, good reliability, good for all carpet types, buy the R10E and buy this one. It's going to really help support not only your home, but those with breast cancer and help support the breast cancer research. Thank you guys. I hope you all support us. Check us out online at www.acevacuums.com or check out all of our how-to videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, as well as here on TikTok. Thank you guys. Stay safe and have a great day.